big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on.
We back in the kitchen. This is a straight experiment. I got some chicken breasts here. I got pepperoni. I got some peppers. I got some olives, and I got some onions here, and some actually just a piece of sauce. So we'll come back to that. So what I'm gonna do is make a keto-friendly chicken pizza. And what I'm gonna do is start by taking my chicken breast. I took the breast and I cut them in half to make them real thin. If you got a pulverizer, you can use that as well too. I didn't have one, so I actually just cut it in half like a fillet and made it really thin. So I'm gonna take the chicken and pre-cook it in a skillet, and then we're gonna take it from there and season it up and everything from there. Add some oil, with some olive oil. Yes, sir. Get that started with that. That pan around, oil going. Okay. We're gonna take our chicken. You can choose to, season it while it's in the bowl or not. It really doesn't make a difference. So go ahead and get the chicken in there. Nice chicken. All right. Got it in there. Chicken, a garlic powder. Yes, sir. Okay. We got some minced onions. I don't like to go too crazy on the seasoning, but because I know the other things I'm gonna add to it will add flavor as well. So salt. There we go. The salt and some pepper. Okay. Shaking the whole camera. All right. Simple. And then we're gonna turn and do the other side as well. There we go. That's the first flip. It's been about 7-8 minutes. And look how thin it is. So it's cooking it here so we can you won't have to still have to worry about it later. I think it's just quicker too. So. And if you want, think you don't have enough seasoning, you can add some more. I'm gonna just add a little pepper on this side. Just a little pepper. And I think that's good for me. All right, another 7 minutes and it should be good to go. Good to go here. So we're gonna take our cooked chicken breast, how thin it is, and put it in our little pan. Not making much, it's just myself, so you know the ratio for you need it bigger, and of course make more. Get the chicken out of here. All right, and bring it over, and just like you would a pizza crust. You add your sauce and your toppings. It's just a snack, some easy peasy. That all my male subscribers or family can use. Use as much sauce as you like. I'm gonna sauce it up. Yes, sir. Put sauce on it. Okay, a little saucy. That's my Pizza Hut days. You just take a little cheese and start it off on top of it. Okay. Get that started. You can add your toppings. A bit more cheese, of course. You guys know how to do this. You need to go with some peppers. onions. Okay. And of course, you start your next one. If you don't like pepperonis, of course, at this point, you don't have to put pepperoni. Okay. Go. In that one. I mean, peppers on that one. A bit more peppers. A bit more olives on that one. Build it up a bit more. Look at that. That looks good already. So I'll wear some onions. Make it a nice thick one. Okay. Around with some more cheese. Okay. Okay. More cheese on top of that one. And do that last one. So you don't have to do anything but vegetables on top of that one. Bring your peppers, your onions, your olives, just whatever you like to put on top of it. Okay. Just dress. More cheese for that one. Basically done, guys. Yes, sir. I'm just gonna throw some pepperoni on this one in the middle. A few pieces of pepperoni. And the cheese little peas in there on top of it. Essentially, I got 3 nice pieces of chicken, 3 servings. And we're gonna pop it in the oven on 400 for like 5 minutes. Just basically to let the top cook. Even though it's already done, but let it go. There we go. Nice and neat little package. So, this is a total invention. And I just had some chicken breasts I had to use, had some pieces of stuff. I had to make something different. So, I'm gonna give this guy about maybe 5 to 8 minutes. See how it cooks, see how the cheese melts on it. And I'm gonna pull it out, so it shouldn't take long at all. Guys, here we are, the end results. I left it in a little bit longer so the cheese can melt a bit more, but other than that, it came out good. It actually smells like a pizza. Of course, the sauce and the pepperoni and the vegetables. So let's get this guy a taste and see what we have. So if you like pizza, you should like this as well. Very easy, very simple, fast recipe. So here we are. Let's get a piece out of here. Get out of here the right way. There we are. Chicken cheese, pepperoni, vegetable pizza with chicken crust. Taste. Get into it. Open it up. See it? No carbs whatsoever. I'm thinking closest thing to a carb is cheese, but other than that, take a fork. Something different, you know, something different. Look at that. Chicken on it. You take your fork. Bam. Pepperoni in it. Let's give it a taste, guys. You see it. The first thing came to my head, when I tasted it, which I should have made more. Make sure you season your chicken the way you like it. I knew I would have all this stuff on here, so I didn't want to over season it, but it's really good. This is bomb. It is absolute bomb. You can always add more cheese, just however you like it. Recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, but excuse me for talking. Food in my mouth. You know what the star is on the chicken pizza? The olives. You can do black olives. Just try with the green olives as well too. I just take it into the olives. Works real well with the chicken and pepperoni. The flavors meld together. Woo! I just want to bring you guys a quick video, very quick video. That's what we do right here. We invent stuff. But chicken crusted, pepperoni topped pizza. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it, but there you have it. Nonetheless, it's really good. Try it. If you got a pounder, like a meat pulverizer, you can use that as well too. But if you don't have that, if you got the thick chicken breast, just cut the chicken breast in half. And then, of course, the quickest way I found was to use the pan and, get the chicken done first, and then do your pizza from that. So, as you saw, quickest way. And it's a good little dish too, and it's different, and you don't need bread with it. It's definitely keto friendly. And yeah, so it's a keto friendly chicken pizza. So, with pepperonis and vegetables. Anyway, enough of me talking. Thanks for rocking with your boy. I pray you guys are doing well, and I'm gonna see you guys next video. Peace.